Did you know your furnace should be serviced once per year? One of the easiest ways to make sure your furnace is tuned up is through a maintenance plan. In this video, we'll talk about what is done during a best furnace maintenance plan tune-up. Hi, I'm Jared. Here at Fire & Ice, we recommend everyone have maintenance performed on their furnace once a year to make sure everything is working as it should. The most common time to have your service done is before the winter hits, but it can be done any time of the year. For many of our customers, they like the convenience of one of our maintenance plans. We offer 3 levels of our maintenance plan: better, best, and fantastic. In this video, we'll go over what's done during our best maintenance tune-up. Before we break down the best maintenance plan, let's take a moment to see why your furnace needs maintenance. Your furnace, just like your car, needs regular maintenance in order to maintain its performance. If you fail to change the oil or rotate your tires, your car's performance can be affected greatly. A poorly maintained furnace can result in a loss in performance, wasted energy, and even premature failure. According to Energy Star, nearly 42% of your utility bill goes towards heating your home. Having regular maintenance done to your furnace will detect problems before they become larger ones. It can also help your furnace last longer, operate more efficiently, and save you money. Before we move on, if you're enjoying the video so far, please give us a like and leave a comment once you're done. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Now that we know why maintenance is so important, let's walk through everything that's done during a best furnace maintenance plan tune-up. On the day of your service, you'll receive both a text message and a phone call letting you know our service technician is on the way. Once they arrive, they will park their company vehicle where you can see them. Each tech will wear a company uniform, name badge, and will put on shoe covers before entering your house. We do this out of respect to our customers. The tune-up for your furnace starts at the thermostat. The tech will raise the temperature by about 4 degrees. We like the furnace to run for a couple minutes for the first set of tests we run. During this time, we'll go over any questions you may have and discuss how your system has been performing. Next, we'll do an assessment of the furnace and surrounding area. We'll make note of anything that may be affecting your home or furnace. Some of the things we look for include the water heater location, the condition of the gas and drain lines, presence of mold, asbestos on the ductwork, or any unusual smells or sounds. Next, we check the filter to make sure it's clean and installed properly. We also check for any air leaks or catches around the filter rack. If a new filter is available, we'll take time to replace it. Next, we take a series of temperature readings from both the supply and return air ducts to see if they are within normal ranges for your furnace. If your home has a whole house humidifier, we'll check that too. We'll make sure both the humidistat and humidifier are working and draining properly. We also assess the humidifier's pad condition. Generally, we recommend replacing the pad once per heating season. Next, we move on to electrical components. We'll take note of the amp draw of both the blower and inducer motors. These readings help determine if the motors are operating normally or are in need of repair. Next, we'll turn off the furnace and begin cleaning the flame sensor and burners. Cleaning them is one of the best ways to ensure the furnace will continue to heat throughout the winter. We also check the condition and performance of the igniter. If an igniter has deteriorated too far, the furnace won't start and will need to be replaced. With the combustion components reassembled and wiring reattached, we turn our focus to the blower motor. With the best maintenance plan, we will pull the blower out and assess its condition for any signs of oil. The presence of oil could be a sign that the motor needs replaced. Next up is the furnace's circuit board. We make sure all wiring connections inside and out of the furnace are secure and free of corrosion and burns. We also will inspect the breaker to make sure the toggles are functional. We then inspect the exhaust flues from the furnace to the outside. We make sure they have the proper slope and are in good working order. For high efficiency furnaces, we inspect the outside termination to make sure it's free of obstruction and installed correctly. Next, we'll turn the furnace back on and check the exhaust draft and pressure switch. If the draft is weak, we check for any obstructions and cracks in the tubing. Next, we check the gas pressure with a manometer to ensure the gas pressures are to the furnace's specifications. We will make the proper adjustments if any are needed. One of the last but most important steps we do is check carbon monoxide levels to make sure they are within normal levels. We check by inserting a combustion analyzer probe in both the supply air duct and the exhaust pipe through a 1/4 inch hole. If a hole isn't present, one will be drilled and later sealed. The last step is to put the cover back on and pack up all the tools and clean the area we were working in. A report will then be written of our findings with any recommendations for repairs. We conclude with a review of everything that was done and any questions you may have. On average, a best furnace tune-up will take between 1.5 to 2 hours to complete. So what are the next steps? I hope by now you see the value provided by our best maintenance plan. If you live in Central Ohio and are in our service area and would like to sign up with one of our maintenance agreements, visit our website. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel to get updates every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.